Hello everyone, and you're watching my channel Teacher Sneha. In today's video, we are going to solve a past paper question from Extended Math IGCSE. The paper which I have selected over here is May-June 2022, variant 41. And in this variant, I'm going to solve right now question number 3b here with you. Question number 3b is in two parts. Part 1 is an algebra question and part 2 is an indices question. So let's see how we are going to obtain solutions for these two questions. The first part in 3b over here says 3w divided by 16 minus 1 is equal to half. We have to work out value of w because question says solve. So when we solve algebraic equation, we will get answer for w. To obtain answer for w, first we need to shift this negative 1 to the other side. When we shift this, we obtain 3w upon 16 is equal to half plus 1. That is 3w upon 16 is equal to 3 upon 2. When I will do half plus 1, my answer is 3 upon 2. Now I have to shift this 16 to the other side. So 16 here in denominator, when it will shift to the other side, it will go to the numerator. That means it will multiply. So what I obtain here is 3w is equal to 3 upon 2 multiplied by 16. Therefore 3w is equal to, on simplification of this fraction, what I'm going to get is 24. Therefore w is equal to 24 divided by 3 because 3 shifts to the other side and divides. Answer for w is 8. And this is what my final answer is. This is how I'm going to solve the equation given. Now let us focus on the next part of this video. But before that, if you want to note down this working, pause this video here and make sure that you write down this in your book. Moving to the second part of this video, which is an indices question. It says 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of negative y divided by 16 minus 1 is equal to half. Now what we have to do over here is, since this question is continuation of this question, if you will notice over here 3w and over here it is replaced with 3 multiplied by 2 to the power negative y. That means this w over here is nothing but 2 to the power minus y. Correct? Because over here the equation is same. 16 is here in denominator, 16 here in denominator, minus 1 is equal to half is equal to half. So after solving all of that, what you have obtained for w is same thing getting replaced over here. So if in this equation w is replaced with 2 to the power minus 5, you will obtain this same equation. Thus, we write it as w is equal to 2 to the power minus y. Our answer for w, we had obtained it as 8. Therefore, 2 to the power minus y is equal to 8. Not to forget, the left hand side of this equation is in the form of base and index. Therefore, to solve the value of y, we also need to write this 8 in the form of base and index. How we can write that? So 2 to the power minus 5 is going to be 2 to the power 3 because 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Since the base here is same, we write as negative y is equal to 3. Since negative y is equal to 3, y is equal to negative 3, and this is what my final answer is. Here we have solved both these questions 3b1 and 2. Hope you liked my explanation and it helped you to understand how to solve this type of questions. If you have really liked this video, do consider giving my video a thumbs up. If you are new on my channel, not to forget to subscribe on my channel. And whatever questions you have a query with from the past papers, write that down in the comment section of this video. And I will definitely try to make a video on the questions that you have asked me to solve. Thank you so much, guys. In this video, we are only going to deal with these two questions. Stay tuned for more questions. Till then, bye bye. Wish you all the very best.